May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 14 and 15, my lord.
14 and 15.
Yes, my lord. My lord, here today the CD was called for, my lord, but I'm extremely sorry, my lord. I did not receive the CD, my lord.
Okay.
I have informed the land senior counsel, my lord.
Council
I for the petitioner.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
So,
So-
9th of September.
9th.
9th of September.
Okay.
September 9th, my lord.
Mr.
9th, Dikedas.
Dikedas,
Assisted by
Land Senior Council, assisted by Miss
C. Eden.
Land Council for the petitioner. Start now. It's also had Mr. Opada, Land Standing Council, ACB, who submit that the CD.
Yes, CD was called for, my lord.
Okay.
city was called for.
Who prays for further time to produce the case study stuff. Further to is that to produce the case study stuff is agreed upon by is great for comma. This is the matter on 9th.
My lord,
September.
my lord.
Okay.
CD may be called for.
Okay. Issue on which date the planet the standing council ACB shall produce the case study.
My lord.
Okay. Updated case study.
My lord.
Okay.
Your Lordship, I beg to
Make
mention
it 10
unlisted,
copy. Huh?
unlisted matter, Your Lordship. This is a criminal unlisted matter, Your Lordship. I beg to mention unlisted matter. This is a criminal petition 94/2026, Your Lordship. It may fix as a last matter, Your Lordship.
Why not tomorrow?
Actually, Your Lordship, I want to withdraw this case with, there is a
You
subsequent
want to withdraw?
development, so
Okay. Okay.
with the liberty to refile it, Your Lordship.
Item number 1.
My lordship. Lordship, this is pre-arrest bail application, lordship. In respect of the Nitibiar police station case number 42 of 2026, lordship. Invoked under section 126, 117 subclause 2 and 133 of BNS. Lordship, here the two of the sections, these are the bailable section, lordship, and 117 subclause 2 is a non-bailable.
Non-available.
Yes, lordship. Lordship, the fact leading to the case is that, lordship, the present applicant and the complainant, they are working in same department, lordship. Working in the same department, lordship.
Okay.
As a work inspector and a chokida of the department of Apeda, lordship, government of Arunachal Pradesh, lordship. So, lordship, what happens, lordship?
Who is working as chokidar?
Complainant, lordship, informant.
Complainant is chokidar. And
Yes.
then the applicant is?
Applicant is work inspector, lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, what happened in the present case is that on 8/2026, lordship, at around 5 p.m, lordship, the both were having drinks together at the office premises, lordship.
Okay, illegally.
No, lordship, that is not illegal.
Okay.
They were having after
office premises.
Yes,
okay?
after office hour in their
After
quarter.
office.
Yes,
Where? In the office?
no, in their quarter, lordship.
Okay, okay.
Chokidar's quarter, lordship. No, during the course of time, they had a verbal altercation, lordship. So that led to minor pushing and pulling incident, lordship. Now, that incident instantly pacified by both of them, lordship, itself, lordship. But in the next morning, lordship, the complainant, they came to the house residence of the present applicant with their relatives and insisting them to arrange a local meeting, lordship, to settle the matter, lordship. So accordingly, lordship, in a good gesture, lordship, the applicant had arranged a meeting on 12/8/2026 in the residence of his relatives, namely Sri Domin Lawyer, lordship. Now, accordingly, the informant with their relatives, they came in the meeting. And however, lordship, during the course of meeting, lordship, discussion, the informant made another allegation, lordship, which I have about in my paragraph number 6, Lordship. On the allegation that the informant, the present applicant had attempted rape on him, Lordship. So that allegation was flatly denied by the informant, present applicant. Lordship.
Okay. The one is lady.
No, Lordship. Age about 45 years only, Lordship. The informant. He has alleged that the informant has attempted. This is the case, Lordship.
Hmm?
This is the case, Lordship. Now, Lordship, what happened? Now, after that meeting, the moment the present applicant
Both are
denied.
otherwise male.
Yes, Lordship.
Both are male.
Yes, Lordship, without the mail. These are the allegations which I don't want to go details in before this sound.
Mhm.
Lordship, after meeting, instantly the denial of the allegations by the present applicant, the informant and their relatives walked out from the meeting and threatened of approach the police for registration of the case. So according to Lordship, the police, Native Bihar police, on 13th, make a call to the present applicant, asking him to surrender before the police station. Lordship. However, Lordship, on that time, the present applicant was attending his ailing son at hospital mode. So therefore, he could not appear before the police station. Lordship. And again on 14th, Lordship, the police had made several calls to surrender before the police station.
What is this 126
126 is, Lordship, wrongful restraint, Lordship. This is just
and 117,
117 is voluntary causing grievous hurt, Lordship.
133?
130 is assault or criminal force with
Okay, but
intent.
no allegation or no offense registered against the allegation.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm.
That is there, but Lordship, the present situation is, Lordship, the police is insisting the present applicant to surrender before the police station, Lordship. Now I am a government employee, regular government employee, Lordship, so I have a apprehension of being
So-
arrested, Lordship.
Yeah, the copy of FIR not furnished to you.
Yes, Lordship, copy is not available. I
So
have
how
made
do we
a,
know then what is the allegation against you?
Lordship, from my counsel, I have visited the police station with a representation, page number 22, Lordship, whereby I have informed that the case has been registered. Why?
Yes, you produce a case diary along with the FIR particularly,
No, sir.
case diary also.
No, sir.
But then how do we protect? We do not know.
Lordship, I have a serious apprehension of being arrested. Lordship, I have annexed the call records of the police made by the police, Lordship, in page number 20 and 21, Lordship.
Mr. G.
Tomorrow, Lordship, I'll try to, because the TTBI Itanagar only.
Hmm?
TTBI Itanagar, Lordship, the PS. So I'll try to get it by tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, on 21, I have some difficulties tomorrow, Lordship.
Also had Ms. Elhage, Lana Council, Lana additional PP for the state staff. By filing this application under section 482 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, the applicant prays for grant of pre-arrest bail. The applicant seeks a grant of pre-arrest bail in connection with Niti Bihar PS case number 42/2026, registered under section 126/117 within bracket 2, 133 of B and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Stop. Compare. So you have been telephonically called.
Yes, Lordship.
You do not know what is your allegation against you.
Yes, Lordship, they have informed that these sections have already invoked against you.
Hmm.
Otherwise, Lordship may direct the learned APP to have an instruction by this. The
Hmm.
matter may be taken up.
Hmm?
Otherwise, Lordship may direct the learned APP to have an instruction with regard to the punishing of FIR.
Hmm. By fixing when?
Yes, by fixing today itself, Lordship.
Today itself.
Afternoon, yes. 2 at 2, Lordship.
Can it be?
Lordship, I'll try, Lordship, because in that case, Lordship, the scan copy, Lordship, through WhatsApp, I can call for Lordship.
Then that only
Yes, Lordship.
for the time being. Or what?
For punishing of FIR.
Okay. So then at 2.
Lordship.
Okay, we have the time. Then we'll pass order at 2. Okay. You try.
Yes, Lordship. Okay.
Item number 2,
My Lordship,
Hmm.
Lordship, this matter will be possible for afternoon. Leading counsel is some medical emergency. He coming after at 2.
At 2.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, let us see. Okay.
item number 3,
Your
Yes.
Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, the petitioner before your Lordship is challenging the intimation order issued by the Deputy Commissioner.
Hmm.
Directed the Interblaze Territorial Customary Court to kept in abeyance all kebab proceedings. My Lordship is aware that after coming into force of Arunachal Pradesh Civil Court Act, the Deputy Commissioner, ADC, EAC, they doesn't have any power or any jurisdiction over the kebab authority. So Lordship, here Lordship, may I take you to the impugn order, Lordship. Annexure was page 23, Lordship.
Hmm.
May I read, Lordship?
Yeah.
To series so-and-so, he is President Interblaze Territorial Customary Court, Lordship. Intimation not to hold any kabang proceeding.
Okay.
In reference to the complaint received in this office regarding the land dispute, Hoyang land, between Srimati so-and-so, wife of so-and-so, Robles, Fiofayong, PS Kaing, Siang District, and Sri so-and-so, West Siang District. I am directed to inform you not to hold or conduct any kabang proceedings relating to the said dispute, as the matter is sub judice and pending before the competent civil court. You are therefore directed to keep all kabang proceedings in abeyance until further orders from the competent authority or until the matter is finally decided by the court.
So the case is pending before the civil court.
That case, Lordship, that is the different, by the different parties, by the respondent and
No, not the,
not
the-
me,
it's-
not the petitioner, Lordship.
Okay.
And because of this impugn order, may I take you to the Lordship, how it is consequences on the petitioner. My Lordship, may I take you to the page 66 and 67 is the type out copy. Just to 66, Lordship. Lordship, in fact, Lordship, the Interblaze Territorial Customary Court is a affiliate authority. Initial petitioner lodged the complaint before the GB Robles for blaze level kabang. But Lordship, the GB Robles refer it to the Interblaze Territorial Customer Record.
Okay, without the
Conducting
GB did
blaze
not
le-
take up the matter
No.
themselves.
Lordship.
So
On-
refer it to the intervillage.
Yes, on
But the intervillage customary court is appellate court.
yes. Now, the ground taken by Robles GB while referring the complaint of petitioner Lordship, he has taken three ground. The first is saying that presently I'm on medical treatment on health problem.
Who, the GB
GB Lordship.
of the Palm Circle,
Robles, yes. Lordship, may I take you to the,
page 66.
no Lordship. Then may I take you to page 47 Lordship.
So what is this page 66?
Page 66 is Lordship. After realizing that the petitioner's complaint has been referred back to the affiliate authority, which in fact cannot taken up the case. So accordingly, petitioner submitted a representation saying that you being the affiliate authority, you have no power to conduct a blaze level
Okay.
cover. Refer it back to the Robles Lordship.
He requested.
Yes, requested. Now,
Who is, Pojum Paru is the
yes, petitioner Lordship.
Okay.
So Lordship,
So the main complaint was lodged by the respondent
no, petitioner Lordship.
or petitioner, but
Yes.
he himself after lodging,
Lordship, he lodged the complaint before the GB Robles for blaze level cover. Now Robles GB, he has referred it to the Interblaze Territorial
oh,
Customer
row
Court.
village.
Yeah, saying that I am only I'm single head Gambu rights in Robles, so I cannot decide cover, and I have medical health issues. And then third ground Lordship,
No, where?
page 44 Lordship. 45, 46 is my complaint for blaze level cover. Then
Hmm.
forwarding is 47 and 48 Lordship. Translated copy page 48 Lordship.
Hmm.
May I read Lordship?
Yes.
Request to conduct kabang at, now my complaint was forwarded to,
Your complaint or who is this?
this is the Gaumbura Lordship, Robles Gaumbura,
this is
where,
Gaumbura.
where I lost my complaint for blaze level
No,
cover.
where is your complaint?
My complaint Lordship, just page 46. Page 46 is my complaint Lordship. I have-
Okay, it's you.
Yes, I have
So this
submitted.
is row village.
Yes, Taking
Okay.
he is the GB Lordship. So I have submitted complaint before him against the respondent for land dispute case
Hmm.
and requested him to conduct a village level kabang.
Okay, thereafter.
Now, on receipt of this complaint, Lordship, he forwarded it to the Interblaze Territorial, that is page 48, Lordship.
Okay, so here he has given reason.
Yes,
Where is the forwarding?
forwarding itself, Lordship, the page 48 itself, Lordship.
Okay, just a
Boring.
minute. It has to be
Yes.
conducted. So
May I
this
read, Lord?
46 only, 46 is only that there is a dispute and settle the matter.
Yes,
Okay, then 48 is the,
48 is the referring, Lordship.
okay, the
My
GB
complaint
referred to the
to the Interblaze Territorial.
intervillage.
Yes,
Okay,
saying that, Lordship, down below is the ground.
undergoing medical treatment.
Yes, health problem. Second, presently I am the lone GB in my Robles, hence I alone cannot pass decision. And third point, also I have a land dispute case with Srimati Yamut Yapi. She is the respondent in my complaint also, Lordship.
Okay,
Because of, yes, Lordship, because of these three grounds, the GB Robles, he referred my complaint before the Interblaze affiliate authority, Lordship.
so he has a dispute with
Same- same-
wife of the respondent.
No. Respondent is the wife. This is her husband died, Lordship.
Okay, now the respondent herself is the,
Yes. She is having also land dispute case with the respondent.
with the
because-
GB.
Yes,
So he cannot then. in that case.
right, Lordship.
But then,
But thereafter, Lordship, first Parwana was Kabang Parwana issued phase 49, Lordship, the Interblaze customary court.
okay,
50 is the type coffee, Lordship.
okay, anyway, whatever maybe. So
Yes,
according to you,
yes, Lordship. Because after issuance of,
now how it came before the civil judge? It is say that it's pending.
yes, Now, Lordship,
What
the-
case is pending? So the respondent has lodged complaint before the deputy commissioner
yes,
thereafter,
yes,
saying that the case is pending.
yes,
Okay, on the
Case
basis
is-
of that complaint,
yes.
this impugn order was passed.
Yes, and case is pending, and second, he is appellate authority in terms of section 15(4) of Arunachal Pradesh Civil Court Act. He cannot taken up the kabang. He is only appellate authority. It was her complaint. Her complaint is at page 63, Lordship. Page 63 is the complaint. After issuance of third Farmana, she lodged a complaint before the Deputy Commissioner.
Okay, this is complaint against GB.
Yes, GB Interblaze Territorial Customary Court not to conduct kabang by the Interblaze because Interblaze being the affiliate authority cannot.
No, this 63
Yes,
is a complaint against GB
yes, GB Lordship.
for misconduct and abuse of power.
Yes, misconduct in the sense he being the affiliate authority cannot conduct a village level kabang before kabang is conducted by the road.
And to take initiative of strict disciplinary action against the GB
Yes,
before the Deputy Commissioner.
the right Lordship. Now, FERA 1 Lordship, here the one title suit which is pending before the present respondent and some other person, they are reflecting, saying that this title suit is pending. This is
Okay.
one of her ground. And another is, Lordship, he being the
So
affiliate.
title suit name is different according to you.
Not in
Title
fact,
suit pending
yes,
before the court is different.
it is between the respondent and the other person, not
Okay,
by
okay,
me,
not with you.
not with me.
Okay, well, issue notice and that's it.
Lordship, here, Lordship, then thereafter, Lordship, may I take you to the last annexure.
Hmm.
Now, Lordship, page 66. Now, Lordship, after the order received from the impugn order from the Deputy Commissioner, now the petitioner came to know that, yes, the appellate authority cannot take up the kabang process at the first instances court because they are the appellate authority. Therefore, he'll submit this application. May I read, Lordship? An application for referring back or sending back the land dispute case between Sri so-and-so, he's the petitioner here, and Srimati so-and-so to the GB Robles for place level kabang. Now, he also realized that, yes, the appellate authority cannot take up whatever the forward done by the GB was wrong. Therefore, he requested the GB president to refer it back to the raw Gaupura. Lordship. There exists a land dispute case between the applicant and Srimati so-and-so over a room land title dispute.
This is respondent?
Yes, she is respondent here, Lordship. That the aforesaid land dispute case has been forwarded, transferred to your honorable court by the GB of Robles.
Okay. So this is
That, however, the case has been wrongly sent for an interblaze kabang hearing, whereas the blaze level kabang is required to be conducted first at Robles. Therefore, the blaze level kabang decision should be placed before the interblaze customary court, that is your honorable court. Prayer. Under aforesaid fact and circumstances, it is therefore most respectfully prayed that your honorable court may graciously be pleased to transfer the aforesaid land dispute case to GB of Robles for conducting the blaze level kabang at Robles. Now, after realizing, Lordship, he cannot conduct the kabang since he is the appellate authority. Now, the petitioner submitted this application, representation. Now, on receipt of this, Lordship, what he has written, this is the impact of that impugn order, Lordship, note. And type out copy is page 67, Lordship. On the application itself, he made this note. Page 67, Lordship. After receipt,
67?
yes,
Okay,
67,
okay.
next page. This is the type out translated copy, Lordship. Note. After receipt of letter from 31/7/2026, this is that impugn order, whereby Deputy Commissioner directed not to kept in abeyance all kabang proceeding. Letter dated 31/7/26 from Deputy Commissioner Siang, they say, I cannot do anything. Now, even Lordship, the GB president, he's also refused,
Intervillage.
yes, to return
Okay.
it back.
Okay, well, issue notice.
So, Lordship,
Mr. Lawley, huh?
today's my prayer, Lordship, if my Lordship may allow.
Okay, Lawley, Land Council for the petition.
If my lordship may allow lordship to quash this impugn order and
Let
give the
them-
liberty to the parties to approach the appropriate quorum, that will suffice.
Let them
Otherwise,
appear first
lordship.
without issuing notice.
Yes, Lord, if my lordship allows, otherwise, because pending in appellate forum is not serve any purpose for me and then respondent also. So it will be better to quash the order of deputy commissioner and allow the parties to approach the appropriate civil court.
No. Let them appear first because says that
Lordship.
something added, they have added that pending before the civil court, etc.
Lost.
Okay.
Lord.
And counsel for the petitioner, huh? This civil revision petition filed under Article 227 of the Constitution of India is directed against the order. It's order or letter?
This is in fact the in the body it is mentioning an intimation, but the language used is a order not to conduct kept in abeyance all Kabang.
Intimation stroke order dated 31/7/2026 issued by the Assistant Commissioner AJ,
Yes,
Assistant Commissioner Judicial, huh?
for deputy commissioner.
On behalf of for deputy it's the office of deputy commissioner, not for. It's for or what?
Lordship.
It's assistant commissioner or assistant commissioner judicial. It's for
Office of the deputy commissioner, Lordship.
office of the deputy commissioner.
Yes, sir.
Oh. It's which Bolen?
Yes, Lordship. Young
Assistant
district Bola.
okay. Of the assistant commissioner judicial, Siang district Bolen,
Lordship.
whereby the assistant commissioner is directed the GB
Yes, GB president. Lordship.
President Inter-Village Territorial Customary Court within bracket GB not to hold or conduct any Kebang proceedings
Until further orders.
relating to the land dispute until further order. It says captain of abeyance, he said.
Yes, captain.
Okay. Not to hold or conduct any Kebang and keep in abeyance the land dispute proceedings relating to the land dispute proceedings until further order. Stop. Para. It is submitted that after the enactment of the Arunachal Pradesh Civil Court Act, where have you stated that they have no power?
Yes, Lordship. My grounds, Lordship. Page 14, ground B, Lordship. Has committed grave jurisdiction errors in issuing impugn order.
And it is submitted that in view of the enactment of the Arunachal Pradesh Civil Code Act 2021, the deputy commissioner or additional deputy commissioner stroke assistant commissioner does not have any jurisdiction to issue direction to customary court. Stop, huh? He therefore prays that the impugn order may be set aside and quashed. Stop. Para issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Stop. The petitioner. Para. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent by as speed post as well as by usual process within a week from today. Within 3 days from today. Stop. List the matter after 4 weeks. Stop. Para. Whether record need to be called for? No.
Because not required.
Okay. Stop. Para. Having regards to the dispute involved in the case and the submission and the content and the contention made by the petitioner, comma, it is provided that till the next returnable, it is provided that the operation of the impugn
31/7.
intimation stroke order dated 31/7/2026 issued by the Assistant Commissioner Judicial Siang District, Boleng, shall remain stayed until the next returnable date. Stop. Okay.
That's
List the matter up to 4 weeks. State,
clear.
yeah? Okay.
Clear.
Item number 4.
Well, this applicant is not named in the FIR
Okay.
significantly because after 12 days of the incident, my lord, although under NDPS Act, my lord, after 12 days of the incident when visited, then only we came to know. Well, the fact is that the petitioner is from Nalbari district. The incident, he
Petitioner is from?
Nalbari district in Assam.
Okay.
The incident occurred in Balapung. My lord, what had happened was on 23rd, he also came to Arunachal as a tourist, my lord. At Balapung check gate, met the driver of this Bolero, my lord. Then, as a fellow friends or citizens from Assam, my lord, they met there and had a chit chat and was not knowing how to process the IPL, ILP, my lord. So then, I requested the driver of the Bolero, from where more than 300 of the ganja was seized. So just I took the help of this man to get me the ILP from the station. And that after that incident, I was in another car. I have not accompanied there. Then I traveled to Bombila and little beyond about. And next day I came back, I crossed the gate. But then this incident happened. My lord, kindly have the complaint first. My lord, we only keep in mind that section 37, because that has the government, the bail in the NDPS. I have a judgment on this one, I relied on. Kindly have this, my lord, page 18, the complaint. 19 would be more better. My lord. The complaint is better, 18.
18.
18, my lord. This is to inform you that on 24/7/2026 at around 0815 hours, telephonic information as received At Balapung, PS from ASI SGK Mamai in charge checked it Balapung that a Bolero vehicle bearing registration number so and so 9497 white color has turned back towards Bongila while stopping the vehicle at the ILT checkgate Balapung. During the process, one of the occupants got down and fled away afterwards SSB Colony Balapung. Therefore, he followed the vehicle and found parked near Kameng in hotel Upper Balapung loaded with suspected contraband and the driver was fled away. Accordingly, the intimation letter was submitted to SDPO Balapung and authorization for so and so seizure of suspected contraband items into the white Bolero while hearing so and so was obtained as Sergeant simply so and so. Thereafter, I along with the search team proceeded to the PO with weighing machine, calibrated zero, metal seal, sealing wax, tape, so and so. The independent witness, namely so and so, Malapur, were telephonically requested to be present at the spot to witness search and the seizure. On arrival at PO, the two independent witnesses were found present there. A written intimation was given to them and explained their duties as independent witness. On arrival to the PO, the suspected Bolero bearing number so and so with broken windshield was identified. Before searching into the suspected vehicles, the independent witness were asked to search the police search team. Thereafter, the vehicle was searched in presence of the independent witness. During the search, 31 white plastic polythene bags containing greenish leafy dry substance with blue chain and flowering top suspected to be cannabis was found and back seat and the key of the Bolero bearing so and so. The white polythene bag containing suspected cannabis were weighed and found net weight 155 so and so kg. The vehicle and the suspected cannabis in the white plastic polythene bags were seized and sealed in the presence of so and so, So I was not named in the FIR. Then accordingly, Milord, the Balapur police have registered case number 14, 2026 under section 20C and 25 of the NDPS Act. And both the section will not affect against the applicant here.
No, no, any persons were arrested,
Yes.
fled.
Now, driver has been arrested, my lord. From the seizure memo, my lord will find. Page 26, my lord, the seizure memo. He was arrested and this. No, there is that way. My lord will have this. Page 26, 1-4. And it's a 4, my lord. 26.
Hmm.
There is that. 24. 14 and 24. Lord. If my lord is comfortable with his type copy, handwriting copy, we can try on this.
No, no problem.
Refer Balapur GD case number so and so, Balapur Mayor, Hotel so and so. ISS Titan Selling Balapur, sitting hereby see the below noted vehicle and the hand, narcotic substance suspected to be cannabis found vehicles so and so. So,
You are reading 26
don't do
or 22?
handwriting one.
Okay,
I was
okay, okay. Hmm.
By SDPO is found in its authorized by SDPO Balapur under section 14. This is correct. Then is I am comfortable here. You can breathe. Bolero bearing registration number so and so, white so and so, thesis number. So greedy substance so these are the seizure list below, and the witness so and so. Now, my lord will kindly come. Page 46.
So these I have also not mentioned from whom it was.
Yes. Now, now.
No, witness's name given.
Yes, yes.
Name of the accused, detail weighing scale under some. Okay.
They are just not the locals. So that is correct. They have followed the procedure.
Hmm.
There is no dispute on that. Madam will kindly have page 26 for.
Hmm.
Madam, we see this that Ashok Katniya is the driver. His name is he is the driver, and it was the following material to receive from him. He is from Barpeta district, another district of Assam. Barpeta, I am from Nalbari. So therefore, we met only at Balapur KK, and I requested him to help me get this ILP. Mother will see, because because he was guiding, he was frequently visiting Arunachal, that particular sector. And then what had happened is
Who, the driver?
the driver, Mr. Katniya, Ashok Katniya.
Katanya.
So kindly see serial number 4,
Hmm?
serial number 4 of the
Hmm.
this seizure memo document.
ILP.
ILP number 7060 in respect of Sri also and Sri Das here.
Kulip Das is a petition.
I'm the applicant.
Okay.
So what has happened is this while he was escorting us inside after producing the ILP at check gate, and then he kept this the driver kept this with him, and that led to a consequential because I do not know what will happen to me. And my lord will see that I made a categorical statement in paragraph. My lord, the brief fact that I have described is at paragraph 5 of my this thing. Kindly come to page 4. Paragraph 5, page 4 of the bail application. That the brief facts of the case are as follows.
Page 4. Para 5.
Para 5.
Hmm.
On 23/07/2026, the applicant, accompanied by his friend, visited Arunachal as a tourist from Assam in his own car. The car number we had mistakenly not written, is also K10, this thing, A801339166. This is my own Alto car. Just we have missed it. Own car, and after this we were supposed to write it. On the way, the applicant met one Ashok Katniya, the driver of a Bolero vehicle bearing registration number ASG so and so at the roadside tea stop. During their conversation, the applicant came to know that Ashok Katniya frequently visited Arunachal Pradesh while ferrying tourists as well as acquainted with a tourist destination in the state. Accordingly, the applicant requested him to assist in obtaining inner line permits, ILP for himself and his friend, and to guide them in visiting various tourist spots. Sri Ashok Katniya assisted them in arranging their ILPs and facilitated their entry to the Assam Arunachal Pradesh check gate. At the check gate, Sri Ashok Katniya produced the ILPs of the applicant and his friend along with those of other tourists accompanying him and retained the same in his custody. It is most respectfully submitted that the applicant was never traveling in the Bolero vehicle bearing registration number so and so, from which the alleged contraband was subsequently recovered. The applicant and his friends were traveling separately in their own vehicle for sightseeing, whereas Sri Ashok Katniya was traveling in the Bolero vehicle with other tourists. Although the applicant initially followed Sri Ashok Katniya vehicles to visit a few tourist spots, after a few hours, Sri Ashok Katniya proceeded ahead with the other tourists, leaving the applicant and his friend to explore nearby places on their own. After completing their visit, the applicant and his friend returned on 24/7/2026. And normally it is always in the afternoon. Now, para 6, kindly see. That At this juncture, it is pertinent to mention herein that after about 10 to 12 days of returning from Arunachal Pradesh, while the applicant was not present in his house, a police team from Balapur police station, accompanied by a police from local police station, visited applicant's house and informed his father that an ILP issued in the name of his son has been seized from the possession of one Ashok Patniya, who has been arrested in connection with Balapur PS case number so and so. And as such, applicant's statement is required by the police and requested applicant's father to send him to the Balapur police station for interrogation in so and so. Now, my lord is kindly aware in this kind of cases, even if you are not involved, there is 100% possibilities of being detained by the police in the name of interrogations. Now, what I was requesting my lord was that just Rajesh ka, 20. Now, my lord will only
We need to see the record, it appears.
yes, my lord will only have that bearing in the mind of the apex court judgment that earlier 438 or 39 is circumvented by section 37 of the NDPS Act. Now, my lord will kindly consider two things, my lord. Firstly, I am not named in the FIR. It is true that I took his help to get the ILP, my lord, and then it was written by the Ashok Katniel, the driver, and then
No, one person
yes,
who fled,
I don't know, my lord. We
who
don't-
came out to be that one? No.
Ashok,
Because it appears that
no, my lord, that
ILP was found from the same vehicle.
no, Ashok,
So,
the driver who has been arrested.
mhm.
So because we were traveling in our own car, my lord. So therefore, this for fault of this, my lord.
No,
Kindly see, my lord, that 2020. You know, why my lord will just protect, because normally in this, okay, oh, there, para 8:17 to 20, my lord.
and DPS, this
I understand, my lord will always have that view because
amount of just, what was the total,
Lordship, is commercial quantity
this
lordship.
commercial?
Yes, lordship.
So
And
that is
excess quantity
21
is
C.
also invoked.
my lord,
It
I
becomes deed
yes,
consequent.
Case study may be called for.
yes,
Case study may be
Just
called for. So we'll have to see whether his participation is there or not, lordship. Because in the FIR, no one in the name is reflected.
my lord will kindly have para 17. I request my lord to have this para 17. The jurisdiction of the court, you know, my lord, that left side might will see placitum G, my lord.
Mhm.
This G is always not referred by us, so it is normally a placitum, my lord. The judgment jurisdiction of the court to grant bail is circumscribed by the I know the will at 2.
Okay. So,
I want
no, otherwise here in this case, we can call for the case diary.
Lordship.
Scan copy of the case diary.
just my lord, just protect. I'll appear because from outside, my lord, I have
Which,
demonstrated.
Balukpong PS case.
Yes, from outside, my lord, I have demonstrated. That's why, my lord, I was only having that apprehension that the apex court judgment by the state of Kerala versus Rajesh, my lord. There,
See, his name is not there.
Lordship, no one's name is there, lordship. We have to go to the
The
case study.
subsequently driver was apprehended.
Lordship, we don't know at this stage, lordship, because case study is not with us.
No, it is
Lordship.
on
And lordship,
record.
moreover, this quantity is commercial quantity,
Mhm.
very heavy, lordship. And lordship, if there is nothing, then he no need to be offended, lordship. Because
We'll call
lordship,
for
if he,
case diary.
yes, lordship, only
We'll
We'll
case
just
study,
see,
lordship.
we'll just see the record.
my lord,
If there is nothing, you will be
my lord,
protected.
can we see
Mm.
that the genuineness of a person?
Mm.
Lordship, he is
That
from
is-
the out
that
of
is
state,
there.
out
But
of
yeah,
state only,
it takes
lordship.
a hardly,
Kindly see.
how long it will take? Just a minute.
Lordship, next week, lordship, otherwise this week only, lordship, because Palukku is nearby, and lordship, I can.
Friday,
Yes,
My
lordship.
lord, Friday, I
By lordship, can copy,
I
lordship.
left in list on Monday,
Monday.
coming Monday.
Okay.
By that time, I will be available.
Hmm.
So, my lord, till then, till such time, without any care,
Because You are not in Arunachal.
Yes,
I'm in
lordship.
Assam, my lord.
You are in Assam.
No, my lord, any condition.
You will not be arrested in the
No,
meantime.
no, we
Huh.
will not run away.
Huh.
Because this boy
Hmm.
has contacted me.
Hmm.
He genuinely told me. I asked him, well, normally before appearing any matter, my lord, I used to have a proper counseling with the client. You don't hide anything from me. Are you habitual of this? He said, no, sir, by mistakenly I went there. Suppose, my lord, suppose what happens? Suppose we go to Delhi, Arunachali, when we meet in airport, we always exchange teas and all, then we discuss. So this support only he has taken.
Okay, we'll pass aura Act 2.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, my lord.
Okay. We'll call for the case there only. Let us see. No?
Number 5%. In today's costly in motion stage, Lord.
Hmm.
That matter, I would like to withdraw it, Lordship. There is some technical difficulties with the liberty to file a fresh, Lordship.
Item 5.
5, Lordship. I'm for the petitioner.
Okay, Mr.
Fee-garam, Lordship.
Land Counsel for the petitioner. Submitted, he may be allowed to withdraw this criminal petition with, why you want to withdraw?
There is some technical difficulties I need to
Okay,
correct. it, Lord.
submitted.
With liberty to file a fresh, Lordship.
There is some technical there is some defect in the criminal petition, therefore we prays for allow him to withdraw the criminal petition with liberty to file a fresh stuff. The state, the additional PP for the state has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. This criminal petition is dismissed as withdrawn with liberty as prayed for. Okay.
Leave left.
Madam, no,
Ah.
I want to withdraw the item number 1.
Item?
Yes, item number 1.
Hmm.
I access the copy of FIR, but there is no any explanation allegation against me. Which is not.
Lordship, all are available, Lordship.
Hmm?
All are available, Lordship.
All are available.
Yes, Lordship.
I accept
Okay.
the copy.
Okay. Want to withdraw?
Yes.
Okay. That is why it was actually necessary. No? Okay, Mr. G. Ingo,
Are-
Land Counsel for the
Notice to the
petition submit. Submit that the offense registered against the accused applicant are all bailable offense. Therefore, he prays that he may be allowed to withdraw this bail application. Stop the prayer is allowed. This petition, this bail petition stands dismissed as withdraw. Okay.
public.
My lord, last only request is a grace that I want from my lord. At least this poor fellow
Ah.
is nowhere involved, my lord.
He's not a poor fellow.
My lord, only grace, my lord.
Ah.
Kindly see what happens normally if
Hmm.
there is any accused, my lord. Normally, if any accused from Assam, they will keep on running away, no, my lord. Once anticipatory
No, but
bail is
this,
granted,
see,
and that
there is
fellow
a
will-
situation here, it appears
Correct.
that in the FIR, a person turned back, it appears. One person ran away, and that person,
My lord, I agree to that, but then I was traveling in a different car. I after
the person who ran away is not you.
no, not me, my lord.
Okay.
That's why, my lord.
So you produce case study?
Yeah, I'll forget this way, Lordship. Well, after case
kindly
study
see-
only we can see whether that is involved, their involvement or not, Lordship. At least that, Lordship, because
My lord, kindly
quantity
see
is
only
commercial
26
quantity.
26, this is a memo. 2 persons are there, my lord. We are 2 persons.
Page 26.
26, my lord, serial memo.
Hmm.
And you see the serial number 4, ILP number SC 7060 in respect of Sri Bikul Boro.
Okay, and
Sri
Kuldeep,
Kuldeep Das. We are 2 people. We were in our own car.
you are Kuldeep.
Kuldeep, yes. No, my lord, normally what happens in such cases, my lord, rather we should facilitate them to approach before appear before, make them appear before the IO. Otherwise, these people, they will be traceless. Our resources will be wasted. We impose some condition and then we take them there. Then we cannot
But,
escape from the eyes of law.
So
7 days, my lord, till Monday. Sunday, I am coming back, my lord. I am leaving.
hard, Mr. Titi Tara. Land Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. Baum, G. Baum, Land Counsel for the petition. Also had Ms. L. Hage, learned additional PP for the state staff and Farah. The applicant filed this application under, accused himself has filed.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this application under section 482 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 has been filed by the applicant seeking grant of pre-arrest bail in connection with Balukpung PS case number 14/2026 under registered under section 20 within bracket C and 25 of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. Stop para. The senior counsel submits that the applicant is not the named accused in the aforesaid FIR. Stop. It is submitted that the applicant was traveling in another vehicle. Stop. Another vehicle. However, the applicant took the assistance of the driver of the offending vehicle, Bolero, offending seized vehicle, Bolero. What is the number?
9497 is
Okay, seized vehicle, Bolero.
AS01GS
Hmm.
9497.
AS01GS 9497, from where the contraband suspected substance was suspected cannabis, weighing around 155.105 kgs were recovered and seized. Stop. Stop. Seized. It is submitted that merely recovering of the inner line permit belong to the accused applicant from the seized vehicle does not mean that he is involved in commission of the alleged offense. Stop. However, the it is submitted that the accused is ready to cooperate and appear the investigation and to abide by any terms and conditions that may be imposed against the accused for his bail. Stop. Para the learned additional PP for the state opposed the interim prayer, the interim bail of the petitioner, stating that and submit that a huge quantity of the cannabis,
A commercial.
suspected cannabis, weighing around 155 and weighing more than 155 kgs were recovered and seized from the vehicle, and in the said vehicle, the United permit of the present applicant. From the same vehicle, the inner line permit of the accused applicant was recovered and unrecovered stuff. See further submits that the involvement of the accused applicant would be clear from the case study. Therefore, therefore she seek some time to produce the case study, the case study of the aforesaid PS case. Stop. Para.
My objection may be recorded regarding the lawsuit.
That is right. Your objection recorded. You object the bail. Okay.
Actually, my lord, very recently I was dealing one similarly cases. What had happens unless the possession, unless recovery is not made from the possession of any accused, has been discharged, and Supreme Court has also recently said.
Okay, having considered that the accused, having considered that the accused was not found in the vehicle, nor any suspected cannabis were found and recovered or seized from him, and also considering that the rigor of the provision under Section 37 of the NDPS Act would be considered after perusing the records and the records of involvement of the accused applicant, this court deem it necessary to peruse the case study. However, to accordingly call for the scanned copy of the case study. Stop. Pending production of the case study, it is provided that in the interim it is provided that in the event of the accused applicant is arrested in connection with the aforesaid Balokung PS case number 14/2026, he shall be released on interim anticipatory bail on execution of a bail bond of rupees 50,000 with two surety of like amount, one of which shall be a resident of Arunachal Pradesh,
Oh, one local surety lordship.
not local, it will say resident of, maybe local or anyone.
Otherwise,
I cannot, resident of
Any resident,
any resident means
we're not able to find out.
then I'm-
to the satisfaction of the arresting, to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the following conditions. Then all those conditions, okay, that the accused shall appear and cooperate, appear before the eye of the case and cooperate the investigation, that the
Lordship, in that case, lordship, he may appear and give his statement, lordship, and the
Yeah,
date may be fixed, lordship.
it's up to the police only. You will have to. The interim is only a limited
okay.
interim, because this will not be after perusal of the case diary.
Correct, correct.
It is liable to be rejected, huh?
If there is material, he has to face the consequences.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. That he shall not directly or indirectly make any inducement, threat, or promise to any person acquainted with the fact of the case, so as to dissuade him from disclosing such fact to the court or to any police officer, that he shall not leave he is resident of
Nalbari, my lord, this way.
Nilbar is Assam. Okay. Leave India without the previous permission of the concerned court, jurisdiction, concerned court, without information of the prior information of the IO of the case. Okay, for the time being.
Correct.
Okay, and I will clarify.
When do you want to
Hmm.
visit?
List the matter. When?
Lordship, next week, lordship.
Next week.
Monday, I'm coming back.
Okay, when? Monday,
Thursday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday is fine.
Next
Okay.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Okay.
As per your convenience, because Monday, Tuesday, there will be DV, my lord.
Okay.
26.
Fine,
Okay.
I'm grateful.
All right. Then lordship, before that, lordship, he may appear before the IA and,
It depends upon him only.
Depends upon-
If he doesn't appear,
Sure.
we'll see the case diary and we'll cancel.
lordship.
Yes.
Item number 2, passover matter.
May I, lordship, go ahead?
Yes.
This matter is complainant is my wife, lordship. And this is matter is corresponding section of 490 OLT, lordship. Exact section of this section 85 is corresponding to section 498 of IPC, and section 51 is juvenile intimidation, lordship. One is bailable and another is 490 is a non-bailable matter. So I I am before this honorable court, Lordship, because this FIR, kindly see the FIR. FIR is page number 15 and page number 17 is the type copy. As per the FIR, allegation is that there is a physical abuse and mental torture and having illicit affair with one girl. That is the allegation. Lordship, this is clearly he says, she says, my wife says, there is a case of domestic violence law. In case of domestic violence, there is a specific law here, Lordship. But we have seen this case under section 86. It has to be read with section 86, whether this case is established or not. Lordship. As per the section 86,
Okay, we'll call for the case study.
Lordship,
Oh, yeah, what?
brother, TFI is appearing this matter. He's on legs in court number 2. Yeah.
Okay,
Just pass over for the time.
okay. Just wait for some time.
Item number 6.
May I please, my lord?
Hmm.
My lord, by way of this application,
This is item 2. Okay.
But by way of this application, my lord, the petitioner is challenging the order passed by the Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class UPA, whereby on the basis of the application filed by the petitioner has set aside the ex parte interim maintenance order with the condition that the petitioner shall pay the arrears. Now, my grievance is only to the extent of the condition which has been imposed.
Where is?
In this case, my lord, initially there was a maintenance suit, and in that maintenance suit, a notice was issued, which was never received by the petitioner, my lord. And the-
Petitioner is the husband.
yes, my lord.
Okay.
And the respondent has filed an application before the Learned Trial Court below, saying that the notice has been affected. And on the basis of that application, my lord, maintenance suit was initiated ex parte, and ex parte interim maintenance of rupees 30,000 was awarded, my lord.
What he is doing?
My lord, may kindly have page number 24A.
Just a minute. Where is the
Impugn order, my lord, will find at page number 61.
61?
So last page, my
Initial order was passed by whom?
passed by the Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class, my lord.
And this order
And
is,
same order, my lord. Since there's the provision provides that if the notice has not been served, and if a sufficient cause is being shown, the same court has a power to set aside his own order. So in a similar way, he has set aside his own order, but imposed a condition that the arrears shall be paid by the petitioner, which to my understanding, my lord, is not legal, my lord. Once the order has been set aside, there cannot be any
then
consequential
what's
relief.
right?
Initially, my lord, there was a maintenance suit.
So where is the initial order?
First order, my lord, will find at page number 32, my lord. 32, if I may read.
Yes.
The council has submitted a steps taken report wherein it is reflected that the notice was delivered to the respondent through registered post on 29/1/2026. The respondent has failed to appear despite due service of notice and hence the matter to proceed ex parte. The petitioner has prayed for consideration of her prayer for interim maintenance of an amount of rupees 50,000 for the maintenance of herself and two minor children aged 9 to 7 years. It is submitted that the respondent is a businessman and had also contested in the general election for the seat of MP and hence has sufficient money to provide the petitioner. It is also stated that the petition number 1 is currently looking after both children expenses and respondent, despite having sufficient means, has refused to provide for them. Peruse the affidavit stating the assets and liabilities of the petitioner. Considering the submission made, a monthly maintenance of amount of rupees 30,000 is directed to be paid to the petitioner number 1 for the maintenance of petition number 2 and 3. However, considering that the petitioner number 1 is employed, maintenance is granted to her. The petitioner is directed to furnish a copy of this order to the respondent for compliance. After passing of this order, my lord, I came to know from a reliable sources that such order has been passed. And immediately I filed an application under section 145(2) of the BNSS, praying for setting aside of the order, stating that no such notice has ever been served to the petitioner. And consequent to that, my lord, my lord will find at page number 61, that is the final order. If I may read, my lord.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the respondent submits that the consignment report of consignment order number so and so, which the petitioner relied upon to show that steps were taken, shows that the notice was returned to the sender. The respondent did not receive the notice and the present application has been filed within 3 months to set aside the ex parte order. Learned counsel prays for setting aside the ex parte order, judgment of Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court in so and so, my lord, in criminal revision number so and so, relied upon by the respondent. Learned LSC for the petitioner submits that the petitioner had received a message which stated that the item was delivered on 29/1/2026, and accordingly this court had proceeded ex parte against the respondent. This court also awarded rupees 30,000 per month as interim maintenance to the petitioner number 2 and 3, who are the minor children of the parties. It is also submitted that even if the ex parte proceeding is set aside, the ex parte interim maintenance should remain for the maintenance of the minor children. On perusal of the pleading.
It's a submission, it's a submission.
Submission. Now observation. I'll read, my lord.
No, it is also submitted.
Yes, my lord.
That even if the.
Now, my lord, observation of the Honorable Court. On perusal of the pleading and submission from both sides, it is observed that the respondent had sufficient cause in not appearing before this court, as notice was not served upon him. The item was returned by the post office Lumla. However, considering that this court had already granted interim maintenance of rupees 30,000 to the petition number 2 and 3, this court deems it fit to allow the setting aside of the ex parte order, granting interim maintenance, my lord, on the condition that the respondent shall clear the arrears of 6 months, which is 1,80,000 on or before next date, my lord. So my understanding is that, my lord, once the order has been set aside, there cannot be a consequential relief, my lord. And moreover, my lord, since I have appeared before the learned trial court below.
In any case, if it is granted, then it will be granted from the date of application or after giving notice.
Yes, my lord. And moreover, my lord, if my lord may kindly see, the similar issue has been dealt by this honorable court as well.
You agree by this condition?
This order. Only to the extent of the condition which has been imposed. Otherwise, on the basis of my application, this
It was
set aside, my lord.
set aside. Yes.
There's a private respondent in this case, my lord.
Private.
Only
Okay.
private respondent. So at this stage, my lord,
So
since they are
what
notice
is the
made,
notice?
until then, my lord, the condition which has been imposed and as well as the main maintenance suit may, for a time being, may state, my lord. Otherwise, eventually, it has to be contested before the learned trial court below, my lord. There's no escape as such. So I'm only just waiting for them to appear and have a final hearing so that this matter can be remanded back.
Okay. Heard, Mr. Jambi Serinki, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. By filing this application under section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, the petitioner prays for. No. Oh, your prayer is for
My lord, setting,
only the impugn order,
along with the main maintenance.
the
suit, my lord.
maintenance order also.
Yes, my lord.
Two, both.
Both, my lord.
Okay. Let us see your prayer, huh?
My lord. Page number 21. my lord.
praised for setting aside the quashing and setting aside of the order dated 5/8/20. No, which is the first order?
First, set aside the impugned order dated 5/8/2026, passed by the Learned Judicial Magistrate
Okay,
First Class
5/8/2026. Passed by the Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class UPI in this case number 142/2026. This is second order.
This first, second order, my lord.
No, where is the first order?
First order, my lord, the main maintenance. I have only mentioned, my lord, the
No,
main
there is no
maintenance case
prayer for
number.
that.
That has already been set aside, my lord.
Okay. Arising out of maintenance case number 33/2025, whereby the learned judicial magistrate, while setting aside the, where is the impugned order? The earlier order, while setting aside the
Order dated 16/3/2026.
order dated,
16/3/2026.
not mentioned, 16/3, 16/3/2026. As directed the petitioner, whereby the learned magistrate, while setting aside the order dated 16/3/2026, has directed the petitioner to pay rupees 1,80,000 towards the area. Just a minute. Directed the petitioner to clear the areas amount of rupees 1,80,000. Stop.
As well as, my lord, further proceeding in maintenance case number 33/2025, my lord, as an interim measure.
Further proceeding C, so that may not be required. Let it be proceeded.
In that way, my lord,
As well as the further proceeding.
Mm.
The petitioner also prays for stay of the further proceeding of the maintenance case number 33/2025. Stop that. Issue notice. The petitioner. The record need to be called for.
my record may be called for.
Or call for the scanned copy of the record. Whether this application, there is no appeal lies against this order.
No such appeal, my lord.
Okay. Revision.
And the dispute was whether a revision would lie or a criminal petition would
Revision.
lie.
Hmm.
Right. I have gone through certain authorities, my lord, since this is not a final order,
Hmm.
the criminal
Okay.
petition.
Call for the scanned copy of the trial court record. Stop. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent, sole respondent.
Altogether, 3 respondents, my lord.
Hmm?
Three
Three
respondents.
respondents by speed post as well as by usual process within 4 days from today. Stop. Stop. Para. Having considered the contention and the submission made by submission advanced by the land council for a petitioner and on perusal of the impugned order dated 5/8/2026. Prima facie, it appears that it is provided that the operation of the impugned order dated 5/8/2026 in respect of the direction to the petitioner to clear the arrears of 6 months. Clear the arrears of 6 months amounting to rupees 1,80,000 to the respondent shall remain state till the next date of listing. Okay.
And further maintenance proceeding, my lord.
No, maintenance proceeding, let it proceed.
Otherwise, maintenance case is also being initiated ex parte, my lord.
No,
In my
now because it has already been set aside.
my lord.
Now they'll have to take steps for the notice of service of notice upon the respondent.
My lord,
Now you appear and contest.
maintenance case is being initiated ex parte, my lord. In this
No.
order, I have
Now,
my lord, I have filed an application
Hmm.
to set aside the ex parte proceeding as well as the ex parte.
now it
interim
has already
maintenance.
been set
It
aside.
has set aside only the part of interim maintenance, my lord, not the maintenance suit. So if it is not being stayed, my lord, the maintenance suit will continue ex parte, my lord. So for a time being, my lord, otherwise we'll go and contest there only, my lord. Till the next date, if they appear, my lord, we'll make a prayer, my lord. Otherwise, in the application which I have filed before the Lani trial court below, I have prayed for setting aside of the ex parte maintenance suit as well as the
Whether that has been disposed, the applicant for.
not been considered, my lord. There's no whisper as such. So even that, to that extent also I am agreed, my lord. That is the reason, my lord, I am praying for staying of the maintenance suit.
Because there is a direction that the applicant is petitioner is at liberty to file, because that was set aside, applicant to file interim, liberty to file application for interim maintenance afresh.
Only in
So
respect
they'll file afresh.
for
There you'll
interim
have,
maintenance.
there you'll get an opportunity to contest the case.
I have filed an application under 145(2) for setting aside of the ex parte maintenance proceeding as well as the ex parte interim maintenance order. So
that
in
is-
this
that is
order,
why it has been set aside.
only the ex parte interim maintenance order has been set aside with the
No,
condition.
now the petitioner is at liberty to file application for interim
Interim
maintenance
maintenance
afresh.
afresh, my lord. But
Okay.
in maintenance,
The entire maintenance suit is proceeding,
yes, that
ex parte.
has been that has not been stayed. I mean, set aside. For it, till the next date, my lord. Otherwise, we'll have a consensus submission before this court to contest before the Lani trial court below, my lord. Only to that extent.
No, let us see. So
My lord, may kindly
that will
peruse
not
the-
stay, will not stay. So let us see the record first.
My-
Okay.
My lord, may
So
kindly peruse the order.
If
My lord.
required, we'll stay that one also later on.
Thank you.
Or otherwise, you see, if the Lani judicial magistrate allow you to contest, then it's no problem.
My lord.
Okay.
My-
List
Good.
the matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
Grateful.
Item number 7.
Yes,
May I please your lordship?
yes.
Lordship, in fact, in this similar situated case, lordship has already issued notice. It's a connected matter.
So connected, what is this matter
yes.
about? Otherwise,
The CR case that is pending before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Teju, several complaint case was filed.
Hmm?
Several complaint case was filed.
Mhm.
This is in connection with the check bounce case regarding the land compensation matter. Lordship.
Okay, that one.
That one, Lordship.
Okay.
This is one
But-
similar complaint case was filed before.
Which is the latest order by?
Latest
24/7.
24.
Similar.
Similar.
He also, this petitioner also paid
Lordship, there is a promissory note, Lordship.
promissory note, amount same.
Amount is 9,23,000.
Amount, have we mentioned in the earlier order?
Amount, it is not mentioned.
Not mentioned.
Not mentioned.
I think not required also.
Not required.
Okay. Okay, cognizance taken by the magistrate. Okay, hard, Mr. Yes, who is the respondent here?
Lordship,
State.
Solemn Sohama.
Or not, private?
A notice has to go, Lordship.
The only private respondent, no,
Only
government is
private.
not the respondent.
Since it's a complaint case.
Okay, complaint case. Heard. Mr. J. Zini, Land counsel for the petitioner, staff. The present petition has been filed under section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, praying for quashing of the entire proceedings in criminal complaint case. What is the complaint case number?
4 of 2026.
4. CR case number, complaint case number CR number 04/2026, pending before the court of the Learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Teju. Including the order dated 2/6/2026. What order was passed on 2/6?
Lordship, cognizance was taken, Lordship.
And what order was passed on 24?
That is at last page, Lordship 130.
Hmm.
That has been fixed for offense explanation.
Okay. Including the order dated 2/6/2026, whereby cognizance of the offense under section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 was taken. And the order dated 24/7/2026. By this order, what day?
Matter has been fixed for offense
Okay,
explanation.
whereby the learned magistrate has fixed for explanation, fixed another date for explanation of the offense.
Offense.
Okay. Stop, Para. Okay. Having considered the contention made in the petition and the submission advanced by learned counsel for the petitioner, and upon perusal of the material placed on record, this court find that the matter required consideration. Accordingly issue notice to the respondent, making it returnable within 4 weeks. Stop. The petitioner shall take steps for causing of service upon the respondent by speed post as well as by usual process within a week from today. Stop. Para call for the scanned copy of the relevant case record. Case record, not diary. Stop, Para. Mr. Genie, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that similar matter being criminal petition number 171 AP 2026 and criminal petition number 172 AP 2026. Oh, no, this in the last, leave it. This will record in last. Stop. In the meantime, when do we list it then? Whether that case has been fixed?
Lordship, it has been mentioned as listed
Okay,
after 4 weeks.
Okay, then just record it. Mr. Genie, Land Council for the petitioner submitted similar case being number 171 AP 2026 and criminal petition 172 AP 2026 pending before this court. So at least this matter along with the aforesaid criminal petition after 3 weeks. Okay, stop. In the meantime, having regards to the nature of controversy involved and the submission advanced by the Land Council for the petitioner, it is provided that the further proceeding of complaint case being CRK case number 04 stroke 2026 arising out of complaint filed under section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Read with section 142 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, pending in the court of the Learned Chief Judicial Magistrate AG shall remain stayed till the next returnable date. Okay.
Obliged.
Item number 8.
Lordship, readings in this matter is completed, Lordship. So matter may be fixed for hearing.
Okay. Heard Mr. Ingo, Ingo, Land Council for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
For you.
Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. Appearing on behalf
On behalf of Mr. Ketas.
Ketaso, Land Council for the respondent staff. It is submitted that the pleadings are complete and pleadings are complete. Stop. Since the pleadings are complete and the parties are duly represented, let this matter be listed for.
Lordship, I have a small prayer. Lordship, since the council is our station council, Lordship, may kindly fix that on 29th September.
It will be for hearing.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, for hearing on 29. And as requested, listed on 29
September.
for hearing. Okay.
Interim order passed earlier.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Definitely.
Item number 9.
Mr. Lordship, earlier I was directed to file one additional affidavit. Before this honorable court, I have made a prayer for liberty to file press bail petition before the learned trial POCSO court. That order was not annexed in my this bail petition, which I have already filed, and I pray that your lordship this matter for bail petition for hearing may be fixed on 24th.
I'll just apprise your lordship. Lordship, this matter came up on 29/6, your lordship. Thereafter, on the 30, your lordship, I don't know if this bail application will survive, because on 30 June, the depositions of witnesses has been completed.
Okay.
The next date was on 14/7/26, when the now it's fixed on 8/9/26 for defense witness. His examination under 3 has also been completed.
8, 9. Okay. So
Sir,
everything
His
313 also the
completed.
completed. Then what remains?
And also this is more particularly a POCSO case.
Petition. That's all, bail application to the Learned Legal Aid Council during the course of the day.
Yes.
Not stop. para. It is, sorry, the learned additional PP submits that the trial court record is still awaited. In view of the above, comma, list the matter again.
My lord, the registry may be directed
Oh,
to
was
send a
it?
reminder.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
List again on,
On 21st Friday.
of
This month, my lord,
21st.
Friday.
Yes.
Then the trial court record,
Lordship,
sorry,
it can-
this will be a case diary.
No, my lord, charge sheet file, my lord.
The charge sheet, okay. Okay, in view of the above. Issue
Remind.
the registry shall issue reminder for trial court record.
Yes, madam.
Okay, stop. Is requested, list the matter again on. Because trial court record, how long it will take?
My lord, they will send the scan copy. Perhaps, my lord, let it be on 21st. If it
Issue
is
reminder.
not reach on 20, we'll fix next day.
Okay, list the matter again.
21, my Friday, my lord.
This Friday,
Yes, my lord.
which court?
My lord, Teju.
Teju,
Yes, madam.
will be able to manage.
Lordship, now this scan copy.
Okay, but then,
Through email. It will.
we understand because in the trial court, less staff,
Hmm.
and because of all those machinery, it may not be possible also.
Lordship, Teju is a very old court. Lordship. And I was-
I've been there. There
Yes,
is a
Lordship.
problem, all those, what problem I have faced.
At Teju, I have appeared before Lordship also.
Mm.
My lord, perhaps the earlier also, my lord, the
21.
reminder may have been sent because earlier TCR was called for,
Okay,
actually.
21.
21, my lord,
Okay.
let us see,
Okay.
madam.
List the matter again on 21.
Oblige, madam.
Obla.
Item number 11.
Yes.
Your Honor, here I am for the respondent, private respondent number 2. Still, we have not filed the reply here.
You have not yet filed objection.
2 more weeks may be given, Your Honor.
Objection to what? IA is for what?
This IA, Your Honor, just to, the question. The modification of the interim order, passed by this Honor. Your
What interim order was passed?
Case number 18 of the IA.
What interim order was passed?
That the order passed by the executive magistrate and the dismissal division petition has been stayed.
Modification, it's not a review.
No, my lord, actually, my lord, in criminal
Okay,
petition,
criminal.
they have challenged the validity of the order passed in the 145 proceeding, my lord. The
Okay.
corresponding section, my lord, I don't remember, but 145 proceeding. So there, my lord, this honorable court has found that the learned magistrate court has exceeded its jurisdiction.
Okay,
So basing on that, my lord, interim order was passed to maintain the operating part, the certain portion of the order, which where it has been exceeded, that was my lord, the state, my lord, by this honorable court. So now, and the notice was issued. Now for the modification of that order, my lord, they have filed an interlocutory application, my lord.
what record was called for in the main case?
Yes, my lord, the issue,
The entire record, and then could also be
my lord, record,
taken up, the consider for the
yes, my
for
lord, record need to be called.
hearing
for,
on
my lord.
record, whether record was called for in the criminal petition.
My lord, I believe a record have not been called for. My lord.
Then a record would have been sufficient. Issue notice.
In main
Okay.
case, my lord, record need to be called for.
Record was not called for.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, my lord. In main case, ma'am.
Whether the main case is listed today, is also listed.
Yes, along with the
Okay, okay.
I.
The record is necessary otherwise. So in that view, he can also be granted further time to file objection. Okay,
Yes,
then in the main case first, huh? Heard Mr. Jitala, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. right there. Learned additional PP for the state, and Mr. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of private respondent number 2 to staff, huh? It is submitted that the record, that the trial court record would be necessary. for-
Executive court. Executive magistrate.
Hold on.
Record
The
the executive magistrate.
record of the executive magistrate
Yes, my lord. It is
would
in-
be necessary
yes, my lord.
for proper adjudication of this case, this matter, staff. Accordingly, call for the record of
But as well as, my lord, the record from the session court as well, my lord. The
Okay,
order
then,
passed by the executive magistrate.
record of the trial court record as well as the the executive magistrate.
Yes, my lord.
It's a, what do we call it? Executive magistrate court or what?
Executive magistrate.
It's a executive magistrate court.
Executive magistrate would be necessary. Accordingly, call for the scanned copy of the trial court record as well as from the executive magistrate. Nahalagan.
You, my lord, we have given the case details in the course title, both the proceedings, my lord.
Okay,
So,
board of proceeding where?
page number 2 and 3, my lord. The ESC proceeding number
okay.
and the session.
12. What is the record of trial court?
Trial code would be criminal revision petition number 3 of 2026.
Okay. That otherwise no problem, isn't it?
Yeah,
But only the, and also as well as the record of executive magistrate in NLG stroke AC stroke estate dash 01 stroke 2025 be called for. Okay. Let's pray for Kamal list matter after 2 weeks. Okay. And in the IA,
My lord, there is an interim order in the.
Okay, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next year of listing. Stop. Then in IA,
This IA is discovered today. This IA.
which IA?
Yes, IA for modification of the interim order.
Okay, but then you are praying for time to file a,
That for main case.
but that is for main case,
Yes.
not for IA.
IA has been filed by me. This IA is filed by the private respondent.
Oh, IA is filed by you. Are you filing any objection to this
My
in
lord, we
IA?
have an objection. We also, my lord, this IA, there is no ground made out for interference in our humble submission in this IA.
No, are you filing objection?
We will file objection if we are given some time. Your Honor.
Okay. In IA, Mr. Planning Counsel for the applicant staff. Mr. Then Mr. You are Mr. Bodo.
IA.
Okay, and Mr. Talo, Planning Counsel, appearing on behalf of the opposite party, stroke petitioner, prays for 2 weeks' time to file objection. The prayer is allowed. No, here, that is you earlier prayer, okay, okay, list,
My lord.
after 2 weeks.
My lord, a small prayer, my lord. My lord, in the IA, I believe in the last order, inadvertently, it is reflected that the interim order will be continued. However, no interim order has been passed till date, my lord.
In IA,
Yes, my lord.
it must be in the main only.
In the last order.
Okay,
Because,
so interim, it's because it is in the main, main is also there.
but in this IA, no interim was passed.
No, not in IA.
And in IA, one interim is not required. Interim,
not
they are
required,
praying
not
for
required.
vacation,
Not
modification.
required, because it is the common order for IA as well as the main, that is why the interim order. Okay.
Much-
IA, no interim. No need to write any interim. Okay, yeah.
IA interim will.
Matter number 12.
Oblige.
Yes, Mr. Teacher.
This is for review, my lord. Doesn't pass by your lordship only.
Is it
Yes, my lord.
review petition in
Committing
what case?
fraud by the writ petitioner, my lord.
Hmm?
For committing fraud upon this honorable court, my lord.
In the writ petition?
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
Writ petition is annexed at page number 17, my lord. From page
17.
Yes. my lord. Page 60 is the Kabang decision, my lord.
No, where is 17? 70?
17, my lord. Writ petition, 17.
17 is something else.
This is a writ petition, my lord, filed by them, my lord. Filed by the private respondent.
Yes.
Annexure 1, my lord.
Hmm?
Annexure 1, my lord.
No, are we in the same petition? This is Tanya Purum
Yes, I mean,
review petition
yes.
and then a page annexure 1.
Annexure 1 is page 17, yes, ma'am. Copy of writ petition, my lord.
Okay, writ petition.
Yes, ma'am. Filed by them, ma'am. Private
Okay,
respondent.
now where is the order?
Order, my lord, yes, my lord.
Sought to be reviewed.
So to be reviewed, it is in my lord. My lord, page 137, ma'am. What they have committed fraud, my lord. I want to take your lordship to page 60, my lord. 60, my lord.
137.
Yes, my lord. Is the judgment, my lord. Yes, ma'am. Operative portion would be para 4, my lord, page 138, para 4, where your lordship has relied on the Kabang decision, my lord, produced by them, my lord. Produced by the writ petitioner, my lord.
What was produced by the writ petitioner?
Yes,
The respondent was also heard.
yes, my lord. I was there, my lord. My lord, may please come to page 60. This is the Kabang decision produced by the writ petitioners, my lord.
Hmm?
This is a manufactured document, ma'am.
No. Just a minute, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, where is the operative portion of the
Which has been relied, my lord.
order?
Para 4,
Order. What is the operative portion of this
judgment page
order
138, my
sought to
lord.
be reviewed?
Entire judgment might be reviewed, my lord.
Hmm?
Because this judgment has been obtained by committing fraud upon this honor.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Entire judgment.
What relief was given?
Direction was given to release 50% of the compensation to the writ petitioners, my lord.
50%.
Basing on this Kabang decision, my lord. Yes.
Okay, this is the case where
Bose Sokong, my lord,
Hmm.
yes.
that the land initially was divided and the ESC recognized that this land also belongs to them.
That was an execution order, my lord. My lord knows, my lord,
In the
executing
execution-
court cannot even put comma, my lord, more than the
No,
decision
no,
itself, my lord.
yeah. But then the executive magistrate,
Yes, my lord.
EAC has made an observation, the land
Observation.
already decided earlier.
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
Now,
and
my lord,
then there was two order passed by Keba. One produced by the respondent
Yes, ma'am.
was incomplete
Yes.
and produced by the petitioner later on found to be complete one,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it?
yes, yes, yes.
And then based on the
Basing on
observation,
the
based on the observation
Yes, ma'am.
made by the executive,
In the Kabang
ESC,
decision of the,
ESC and the Keba.
yes, my lord.
So this,
Judgment was
okay.
passed, my
So
lord.
you want, so what is the finding that,
My lord, I have obtained the certified copy, my lord. Of the Kabang decision.
Keba decision?
Yes, ma'am.
Earlier, why you did not produce? When you were given an opportunity?
My lord, I prayed for to produce to seek the original records, my lord. But my lord.
No, because
Yeah. The first page is our application, my lord. Second page is my lord, page 60 of my review petition, my lord. This is the manufactured cover decision, my lord.
Hmm?
Manufactured cover decision is at page 60, my lord. Produced by the writ petitioners, my lord.
page
60 of the review
60?
petition. Yes, my lord.
No, 60 is
Is the
petition. Oh.
annexure to, my lord. Kabang committee decision, my lord.
No, where is, I think you have not properly paginated then in that
My lord,
case.
page 60.
6060 is something else.
May, if I
Let's
can.
say. No. Why this? This certified copy is not a Xerox copy, but then how it's a photo?
Ask it by authority.
No, your certified copy. This time, if this come out to be forgery, then I think you may have to pay cost, huh, Mr. Teacher?
Yes, my lord.
See,
Yes, my lord.
I could see your document, Kebang Committee decision,
Yes, my lord.
and then it's up to serial number 8, first page.
Yes, my lord.
And second page also start again with
Right.
para 1. And then the,
This
and
is the certificate copy, my lord.
type font also I think is different.
My lord,
You-
may see page 60, my lord.
Yes, page 60.
It's totally different from the certificate copy furnished by the ADC office, my lord. This certificate copy has been obtained from the office of the ADC, which,
No idea.
page 60, my lord.
This seems to be complete one rather.
My lord, that is why this one is manufactured, my lord.
Which one?
Page 60.
Manufactured. That is why it looks like
Yes.
more perfect.
Yes, my lord. It has been made to look more perfect, my lord. Even on the top, my lord, of page 60, there is a date, my lord. In the original, there is no date, my lord. Only in the signature portion, there is a date, my lord. On the second page, your lordship will find, my lord. In the signature column only, there is a signature in the original. So documents furnished by us, my lord, were correct, my lord.
Then we'll have to call for the original.
Yes,
okay,
my lord.
then.
Yes, original may be called, my lord.
Okay, but then first of all, we'll not have to issue notice.
Yes, my lord.
No idea.
I have private person satisfied, my lord. My
We'll
lord,
issue notice.
my lord,
Hard, Mr. B.
my lord, there is one direction in this judgment, my lord.
Hmm.
So, my lord, the operation of this judgment may be state, my lord.
No,
We
no,
have requested that
no,
DC,
let
my lord.
them appear because this in the initial also,
Yes, my lord.
you probably produce the same thing and then
We have filed an application, my lord. On the basis of application, they have furnished us this Kawang decision, my lord.
what do you want to show by this document?
My lord, page 60, this Kawang decision was relied by this honorable court while passing the judgment, my lord, in favor of the writ petitioners, my lord. This
But here
page
also,
60 is a-
in your document also,
Yes, ma'am.
the property belong to both the clan.
It is not
It's
mentioned, my
always
lord.
50,
Para two is
50.
different, my lord. My
Hmm?
lord, may kindly compare, my lord. Of page
No, no,
60 and
just
my lord.
forget about that. But then here also,
My lord.
they are also 50. They are not claiming the 100%.
Yes, my lord.
They claim only 50%. And
What-
here also, you see, then it claimed that the land belongs to both brothers, Hemi and Hedu.
But area is not mentioned, my lord. Here, my lord, in page 60, specific area is mentioned, my lord. Bose Sokong to, my lord. So they have manufactured this document, my lord. They have committed fraud upon this honorable court, my lord. Para 2, my lord, of the page 60, my lord. In their Kawang decision, my lord, there is specific, my lord, Pumbum Yolong to Bose Sokong, my lord.
Now, what is your submission? It belongs exclusively yours?
Yes,
or-
my lord.
Okay,
This is
it
our-
doesn't
this was
belong
our
to Hedu.
contention. Yes, my lord.
You are Hedu or Hemi?
I am Hedu. my lord.
Okay, so according to you,
Yes,
Hemi cannot claim,
yes,
has no claim.
no claim. my lord. They have no right over the land. Page 60, my lord, is
You are Hedu or Hemi?
I am Hedu, my lord.
Hedu.
Yes, my lord. Page 60 is too correct to be, my lord, to be right on, my lord. Because it specifically mentions the area, my lord, which was not,
See, here also.
my lord.
So we came to conclusion that this disputed land belongs to both brothers, Hemi, Hedu clan community.
Yes, my lord, but the area has not been mentioned, my lord. Here, in the page 60, my lord, there is area has been specifically mentioned, my lord.
Page 60?
Yes, my lord. Of the Kawang decision relied by them, my lord. 60, my lord.
Hmm.
Para 2, my lord. This was relied by your lordship, my lord, while passing the judgment, my lord.
Here, what they said.
My lord, para 2, my lord.
Here also 50%.
Here also 50%, but they have manufactured this document by specifically mentioned the area, my lord, which was not in the original Kawang decision, my lord. We are ready to face any order of this honorable court, my lord. My lord, they have manufactured this document, my lord. They have committed fraud upon this honorable court, my lord.
Both brother Hemi and Hadu.
Yes, my lord. I want to rely on one judgment, my lord, only one judgment.
Plan with just a minute. What is difference between these two?
This, my lord,
documents?
para 2, my lord, may
Para?
kindly para 2, page 60. In the India Kebang decision, my lord.
There are two.
Yes, my lord. Detailed documents are attested with this decision submitted by Hemi client that claiming that the disputed land area from Yombum Yorlong to Bose Sokong, my lord, belongs. This specific area has been mentioned here. In the original Kebang decision, there is no mention of area, my lord.
Pumbom.
Yes, my lord.
Pumbom
Yorlong to Bose
two
Sokong.
boss. Okay.
This area is not in the original Kebang decision, my lord. Even in the face of the, my lord,
And the disputed land is where?
Karle pledge.
Only this. Otherwise, rest are same.
Otherwise, rest are same. Yes, my lord. But the area they have deliberately, my lord, they have mixed up the area, my lord. They have inserted the area, my lord, which was not in the original Kebang decision, my lord. For the timing, my lord, I need some protection, my lord. Operation of the impugned judgment may be stayed, my lord. Prima facie, there has been fraud, my lord, committed by the rich petitioners, my lord. My lord, they have the audacity to, my lord, mislead this honorable court by manufacturing documents, my lord. My lord may not let them go so easily, my lord.
Area from Pumbom Yorlong to Bos Sokong.
Yes, my lord, which
So
has been
these-
mentioned in
these
para
have
4 of the
adversely-
judgment, my lord.
These insertion of this word
Yes, my lord.
has adversely affected your.
Yes, my lord. In the
Interest.
judgment itself, it has been reflected, my lord. In para 4, my lord.
So the land which you both are claiming is this land only, Pumbom Yorlong to Bos Sokong,
The area of compensation, my lord. Yes, my lord.
compensation.
Yes, yes, my lord.
So otherwise, in excluding this,
Yes, my lord.
the Kebang committee decision,
Yes, my lord.
according to you,
Yeah.
does not cover this land.
Yes, my lord. This area has not been mentioned, my lord, but they have specifically, my lord, by their
This
own
all this Pumbom Yorlong Bos Sokong also comes under the entire area.
entire area that has to be, my lord. I have to take instruction, but my lord, this, see, my lord,
Supposing this
they
Pumbom
have, they have
supposing-
manufactured the Kebang decision.
But
They have
supposing this
manipulated,
entire area belongs to both Hedu and Hemi clan.
my lord.
As and
My
Pumbom
lord-
Yorlong, what it has been inserted, Pumbom Yorlong to Boseko falls under this, Pumbom Yorlong to Boseko. So since entire area belongs to both brothers, it is not going to affect, or make much difference.
My lord, my
If
lord,
it
please
is within the disputed area.
my lord is too honest, my lord. My lord may see they have committed fraud upon your lordship, my lord. By misleading this honorable court, my lord.
I don't know.
Yes.
Mm.
Because this area, my lord, it was not there in the original. It is not in the original. my lord.
If that be true,
Yes, my lord.
maybe court looks like dumb fellow.
No, 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 my lord. My lord has a good intention, my lord.
No, no,
My lord
anyway.
is approaching with a positive, my lord. Positive note.
No, no, yours is, no, what you are submitting,
Yes, my lord.
if they have done it
Yes, my lord.
before this court,
Yes, my
what
lord.
I'm saying
Yes, my lord.
is maybe
But
in their eyes, the
this is
court.
very serious, my lord.
Court looks.
My
dumb
lord,
fellow.
my lord, I would like to submit to one judgment only, my lord.
Okay, anyway,
1994, 1 SSC,
no, see,
page 1, para 1, my lord.
we'll issue notice at the moment because
My
not
lord,
clear.
I need some
Yours is-
protection, my lord, because there is a direction, my lord, by your lordship, my lord.
Let them appear. Hard, Mr.
Uh,
Teacher.
In fact, my lord, later on, my review petition will be in fact.
Now, how,
Your Lordship,
what is your submission?
the direction was to disburse the 50% of compensation amount within 60 days.
Hmm?
Within 60 days. Within 60 days, Lord. And I think 60 days is over. I'll have to take instruction on.
We have requested the DC, my lord. They have manufactured document and mislead this honorable court. So we have requested DC not to release. we will approach this honorable court.
No, because 60 day also,
Whether
over,
it
we do
was
not know the
peacefully-
latest. So
was only-
blind, that kind of order, we may not be able to pass at the moment.
At least, my lord, prima facie, there has been some, my lord, manufacture of document, my lord. My lord, may kindly stay the operation of judgment, my lord. Until next date, my lord. Only for till next date, my lord, till returnable date, my lord. Because tomorrow, if DC execute the order of your lordship, my lord, we cannot say anything, my lord. We will be helpless. my
Mr.
lord.
B. Picha, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also had Ms. Sangita, learned government advocate for the state respondent. Para. By filing this application under Chapter 10 of the Gauhati High Court rules, read with Section 114 and Order 47, Roman, 47, Rule 1 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, the petitioner seek a review of the judgment and order dated 25/5/2026, passed in WPC number 428 AP of 2025, within bracket, Sri Gopal Hemi versus the DC C Yomi districts and two others. You are for?
I was put a private respondent 3, my lord. In the writ petition, my lord.
DC is not coming. Okay, you are for private response. Okay, stop. Fair. Issue notice. Stop. Since Ms. Sangita accept notice on behalf of the state respondent number 1 and 2, no formal notice is required to be issued. However, she shall be furnished with the requisite and the extra copy,
Ma'am.
You furnish
Yes, ma'am.
by the petitioner during the course of the days. Stop. Para. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 by a speed post as well as by usual process within 3 days from today. Stop. List the matter after 3 weeks.
My lord, protection may be given to him.
So now we do not know. Because this,
My lord, we are ready to take the responsibility, my lord.
you were
To pay
given
the cost,
time,
my lord.
you were
If we have
given
misled the
time,
court.
you were given opportunity, adequate opportunity before passing order.
My lord, they have, my lord,
Because
committed
I
fraud.
repeatedly we posted for
My lord.
2 times or more
My lord, we have
before
produced
passing the
the,
final order.
yes, my lord,
And then we'll see the record and pass order.
my lord, until then, some protection may be given.
No, how do we protect?
Compensation may not be released, my lord.
How we do?
Only that much, my lord.
So that is the only claim.
Yes, my lord.
That much is the more.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Because they are armed twisting the facts, my lord.
Hmm?
They are armed twisting the Kavang decision, my lord. They are twisting the facts, my lord. Writ petitioner, my lord.
Where is the impugn order?
My lord, it's page,
Yeah.
my lord, 137, my lord.
Now, because your same document has been produced.
Yes, my lord.
Because this document which you are producing today was
Yes.
produced earlier also.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
So only after appreciation of the documents produced by both the parties,
My lord.
only this court passed order.
But now, my lord,
And then both failed to produce the genuine one. Based on, not only based on that, based on the, because how and on what basis the EAC had passed an order.
which we have submitted, my lord. Kavang decision, my lord.
And then
In execution,
the order EAC, order passed by the EAC was also not challenged by you.
my lord, that is an execution order, my lord.
Execution also.
Yes, my lord.
But that order, you are adversely being affected by that order. But that order affirmed and saying that already decided it
My lord,
belongs to board.
Kavang, my lord, execution order cannot exceed the Kavang decision.
That is true, but have you challenged?
No, my lord.
Then
But it is not in the main Kavang decision, my lord.
Mm.
This is the original Kabang.
So this order was passed based on that only, both, I think.
Yes, my
It must be like that. I found that education.
Otherwise,
It's
my lord,
already been
only para 14 maybe, my lord. Operation of para 14 may be state, my lord.
It's all the same. Now wait for some time, nothing will happen.
If they release the compensation, my lord, we do not have any grievance in that.
Mm. Mm.
We will be helpless, my lord. This is only the remedy, my lord. We do not have any remedy. Honorable Apex Court says, my lord, any judgment, my lord, obtained by committing fraud is a nullity, my lord.
Now we do not know.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
Decided by the Kabang committee and affirmed by the executive court, and admittedly the same are not under challenge. See,
yes, my lord.
challenge before any appropriate forum. The deputy commissioner court to have directed to release the.
My lord, in that regard, we had made the statement, my lord. We were not aware of this Kabang decision. We are not, my lord.
Petition and the respondent as well as with the other. See, the decision of this court was not only based on those documents, but based on the documents of the ESC, who is the competent authority, the officer of that district, who has made that observation, passed that order. That has not been challenged. So now this is not only based on the document, so at least to be fraud.
My lord, if it is fraud, my lord, then, my lord, and one observation may be made, my lord.
Hmm.
Then if there is a fraud, my lord, this writ petitioners, my lord.
The
hemiclaim should, my lord.
just a minute, and okay. The interim, you have not filed separately. The same,
Review, my lord. Yes, sir, same, my lord.
in the same you have prayed.
Yes, my lord.
Where is where is your
My
file?
prayer, my lord.
Hmm.
Page.
Hmm.
Page 14 is my interim prayer.
Okay. And probably,
If tomorrow this honorable court finds that we have light,
just,
light,
the, is there any direction for payment of compensation?
yes, my lord. Yes,
In
my
this writ petition?
yes, my lord.
Where is that
In the
direction?
judgment, my lord. Yes, para 14, my lord. Page 141.
The director to process the release of 50% of the admission, okay?
Within 60 days.
Mm-hmm.
So we have made the request to the deputy commissioner.
And subject to, see, even if release also, you have a remedy then, can
No, my lord.
recover.
Once compensation is released, my lord, they have used the money, then
No, if it doesn't belong to them, even if it's release also, even if they have exhausted also,
my lord,
you will have claim.
then my
Don't worry.
lord, there will be a long procedure, my lord.
So what?
For a fixed date.
You are given opportunity,
Yes, my lord. A date may be
sufficient
fixed, my lord.
opportunity, you are given sufficient opportunity to produce.
What we are submitting is that, my lord, they have manufactured a document, my lord, which has included this lordship. my lord.
Subject to verification, they will also verify the beneficiary and entire. Okay. Order was passed when?
Judgment, my lord. 25/5/2026, my lord.
So, the interim prayer shall be considered on appearance of the respondent staff. However, any payment made pursuant to the order dated 25/5/2026 passed by this court in WPC number so and so, shall be subject to the outcome, WPC number 4/28/2025, shall be subject to the outcome of this review petition.
My lord.
Okay.
Okay.
Item number 13.
Alright.
Hmm.
My lord, I'm for the sole respondent. Since it is the first time appear here in this matter, so I may give some time to file a reply.
You are appearing for the first time?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Land Council for the petitioner. Mr.
In Kanu,
Land Council would appear on behalf of respondent number
sole respondent.
or sole respondent.
Yes.
What about the other, the council who appeared earlier?
Yes, record shows they have entered appearance.
Earlier? No, cause list, your name is there in the cause list.
My name. Yes, my name is there.
Okay. Okay, you have already filed wakalatnama.
Yeah, we filed.
Okay, it's for first time, but, okay, based on the wakalatnama, they have reflected the name, okay, would appear on behalf of the respondent, sole respondent, huh? And have you received the copy?
Yes, we received.
Okay. The court not yet received. Okay. And praise for some time. Would appear by, on behalf of the sole respondent by filing wakalatnama, staff, huh? Wakalatnama and praise for some time to go through the petition and to respond if necessary. Staff, huh? The staff, the office note also reflect that the trial court record is also, the trial court record is still awaited. Staff, in view of the above, and as paid for by the Land Council for the respondent list to matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Item number 2, possible matter.
Okay, still there.
I was submitting that the cases under 490 case not hesitant out. Every state protection will be given in that. Out of 3 weeks.
You can call for the,
Yes, my lord.
okay, Mr. Titap. Tapaka Land Council for the petitioner. Also had Mr. P. Also the planet additional PP for the state. Staff, huh? By filing this application under section 482 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, the petitioner prays for granting pre-arrest bail in connection with Rumgong Police Station case number 808/2026 under section 85/351 within bracket 2 of Bharatiya, no, BNS. Staff, Kara. The prosecution case is projected and the copy of the FIR is that the applicant has been and that the applicant who is the husband of the informant has subjected applicant husband has subjected the informant wife this is domestic violence, domestic physical
Allegation is domestic violence.
okay. The Respondent subjected the respondent physical as well as mental torture. There is also allegation of the applicant involving in the extramarital affairs with another woman. Stop. Based on such allegation, the police has registered the aforesaid Rumgong Police PS case number 08/2026 under section 85 351 and 2 BNS. Stop. It is submitted. The learned counsel for the petition submits that the applicant is innocent and the FIR lodged against him is false and exaggerated. Stop. However, your apprehension, however, since here, since the FIR has been lodged against him, he has a reasonable apprehension that he may be arrested in connection with the aforesaid police station case. Hence this petition. Stop. Mr. Theatre, Land Edison PP. Seek some time to produce the case study. Stop. Para. Call for the scanned copy of the case study. Stop. Pending. Para. Pending production of the case study, it is provided that in the event of the applicant, namely Takut Tamut, being arrested in connection with the Gumgum PS case number 08/2026, he shall be released on interim anticipatory bail on execution of a bail bond of ₹20,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the following condition. Stop. That he shall appear before the IA of the case within 10 days from today and cooperate with the investigation. Stop. That next, that he shall appear before the IA of the case for as and when called for. Stop. Next, that he shall not, that condition. Shall not directly or indirectly make any inducement, threat, or promise to any person acquainted with the fact of the case. Stop. Next, that this is which Rungong, which okay, he shall not leave the state of Arunachal Pradesh without prior information to the eye of the case. Okay, that is enough.
That will suffice, my lord.
Okay. List the matter.
Let it be on second, my lord. Second of September.
Second. Okay.
After 5, it is Solung.
Okay. You want to celebrate Solung?
Then let it be on. Okay, but let it be on my lord 8th.
Okay. 8 is a DB day.
Okay, then my lord, then on 9th, my lord.
9th. Okay. 9th September. Okay.
Item number 16, unlisted matter for withdrawal.
Okay.
Your Lordship, I would like to withdraw this.
Okay, Mr. Sib.
With liberty to refile it. Please open, Your Lordship.
P. Wangpan. land counsel for the petitioner. Some state with liberty.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Some state there is some inherent defect in the petition filed by him. Therefore, we wish to sought permission to withdraw this criminal petition with liberty to file afresh after making necessary correction, to which Mr. Learned additional PP has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. This criminal petition is dismissed as withdrawn with liberty as prayed for. Also,
Obliged, my lord.
so, क्या करता है